Hello, good day everyone. Sabrina here, and this video is about an amazing opportunity that you can use either for yourself or to help others. Either or both, right? So this opportunity will allow you to fix your credit, get it up to a 750 or more, help you to learn about investment education. It can help you to correct your W-4 form for having a small business, which will help you to bring home an extra $200 to $600, depending on your situation, depending on everybody's situation different. So, but it will help you to bring home more pay from your full-time job. If you want to just do this part-time, which I encourage everyone to start this business part-time, and if you have a goal to fire your boss one day, just work towards that, and it can happen. With this business and any business that you do, it's absolutely possible to fire your boss at some point. But it takes a little time. It ain't going to happen overnight. You got to be coachable. You have to understand that learning is a forever process, all right? So if you're someone like that, this is definitely for you. Now, this system right here has travel included, credit, financial literacy. Now, what I want to show you is the credit system. Let's start with that because that's the nook and crannies of this system. Everybody mainly joins to either work on their credit or help others work on their credit. Some people charge a premium as a credit repair agency because a lot of people don't want to do this simple step that I'm about to show you. It's so simple and easy. We're going to put it on a timer to see how fast it takes to do a letter, how fast this will take. Now, the first time you start, you want to look at the video. So the video is about 24 minutes. You don't have to look at them all at once. You can take your time. I encourage you to just go over the videos, take some notes, or go over them as you do your credit. But step one is to pull your credit. I don't know if you knew this, but right now, this is my annual credit report. You can pull your credit free once a week because of all the fraud that's going on in the world, right? So you can pull your credit once a week on there free, or you can go to myfico.com, and that's for your scores. I'm not sure how much that is at the moment. Next step is to freeze your reports. You may never have heard of that, but yes, you freeze your reports, and they have the lists, and they tell you the main ones that you should freeze because it's a lot of secondary. If you didn't know or not, it's a lot of secondary credit agencies. So you have to freeze them reports. That's like a little secret to fixing your credit, right? You can learn all that inside the system. Check for errors. Then I want to show you the dispute. We want to time this. Once you do all that, which may take about, you say the video is 30 minutes. All right, about 30 minutes. You got to pull your credit. You want to say about 15 minutes. Then you will go over your credit report. That's about 30 minutes, right? So just say 2 hours to learn, see how it goes, pull your credit reports, and get started. Now, watch how fast, once you do all that, it takes. Once you got your credit report, know what you're going to dispute. You may have highlighted it. I encourage you to, do some type of spreadsheet so you know the dates you did it and everything. I want to take this out. It's all up in my business. 2768 first. Okay, this is a dummy account I'm going to be doing. I'm doing this just to show you something. So, we ain't started the timer. My fault. All right, let's go. My clock say 12:35, and I'm starting. So, bam, my stuff was filled in. So, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna do it the right way. Let's go. 12:35. Bam. Address. Let's say Fitch Street, Washington, D.C. I want to do all this. I want y'all to see how fast it is, right? So you're going to be filling this in. Right? Showing you date of birth. 9 1976. Social 456. Okay, listen. This is all doing the letter, y'all. This is all you're doing for the letter. I'm gonna show you something. So look at this. Verification dispute letter. Now, this is the list of letters. Boom. You start with that one. That's the first one you're gonna start with. You can see a preview of it right here. I'm gonna show you how it looks once we fill it out. So name of account, we're gonna say National. That's one account. Macy's. 2 account. North. Okay. Now you might have about 4 or 5 accounts. Who knows? You know. FedEx. I'm just saying anything. Just put some stuff in. Just showing you how fast it go. Cause you're gonna be looking at your credit report. Okay. We got what's that? Phosphor. It don't matter. Woody's. Okay, so these your accounts, right? You do that. Put your accounts. I never get mine notarized. If you choose to do that, you can hit include notary language at bottom of the letter if you intend to get it notarized. Okay? Save letter to your history log. You want to check that? Watch this. Download letter. Download your letter. And it's done. What time was it? 25. Look. 3 minutes. It took me 3 minutes to do that one letter. Now, all you have to do once you do that, got one letter done, you can go hit Experian, bam. Download Experian, preview it, same thing. TransUnion, download it, bam. That was 3 minutes. No more than 5 minutes to get them 3 letters done. Now, get it to the post office and get it out. I don't know how long that's going to take, right? But that's up to you. The letters can get done really, really fast. I just wanted to show you how fast it is. Now, just imagine you charging somebody $500 to do their credit. And all you're spending is like about $10 on the, you're getting them certified mail. It's about maybe $10 to $20 depending on, I can't even remember right now, I just did it, but because one time it's like 20 something, then that time I went it was like $10, so for 3 letters to get mailed off, I don't know what that was about, but no more than $20 to mail off 3 letters. Okay, wait for a response. Once you get a response, you might have to mail off 3 more, $20 more, so you ain't gonna spend no more than $100 to $150 on your client, right? Probably, I'm gonna just give it $200, because say you got put your gas in, you go to the post office, the letters that you're mailing off, the paper that is on, the ink, unless you're going to, if you go to the library and print them out, it's free, but if you have ink at home on your office, that's ink. So bam, that's about $150 in your time. So just say $200 roughly for a client that you got to spend, and you charge them $500. That is awesome, and people will pay that because they don't want to do what takes 6 minutes to do. I know you know a lot of people that probably would love to have a 750, 800 credit score. You can learn this and charge them $500 to $600, whatever you want to charge. The price is up to you. But all you're paying is $39.95 a month. And then if they want to, instead of you, if you really want to let people know, I mean, you know, let them know, like, you could do this yourself. This is so easy, but never beg. I ain't going to beg nobody. If they want their credit done, they want to pay a premium, you let them pay a premium, okay? You let them pay. At first, I wouldn't do it, but now I'm different. I say, hey, if they want to pay a premium, I'm going to do that because it's too easy. Look at this. It's too easy. It's too easy, y'all. You see this? It's so easy to print this out and mail it. You didn't have to type a letter. Okay? So, I love this system. I've been in this system for some years. I got my credit up, but some things came about. And of course, I'm working again on it. But this time, my mission is never to have to do this again. But you never know what life will happen. That was my last mission, to never have to do it again as far as myself. But I do now because life happened. Life be lifing. And things happen and you can't control. Sometimes you just don't have control and things happen and you gotta get on your credit and you gotta fix it. So that's what I'm doing now. I'm in the process of fixing some things and getting some things that don't belong on my credit off my credit. So that's another thing. You have to stay on top of your credit because it's some things on my credit that don't belong to me. So you have to stay on top of your credit, ladies and gentlemen. I encourage you to check it at least every 30 days to make sure ain't nothing suspicious on it. Because I looked at my credit like, wow, what in the world is this and that and that? And it's coming off immediately, all right? So you all have a great day. And remember, this is so important for your life. Financial literacy, learning all these things that we have here is so important for your life, for your future, for your legacy. This right here is awesome. You can pass this on to your kids. You can show your kids this. And I'm great. I want you to check out my next video I'm going to make on how you can pay your child to work for you. How you can pay your child to work in your business up to $12,000 a year, tax-free money. Man, that's amazing. All right. So you all have a great day. And I will see you guys on the next video. Peace and blessings. I love you all. All right. And don't forget to like my channel, subscribe to my channel, and like this video, and share it with someone that need to start them a side business. Right now it's only $9.95. You can't beat that. $9.95, ladies and gentlemen, to start you a home-based business. $9.95, and I will help you to get the knowledge that you need to grow the business, because I'm attached to people that have proven success in this business, that has proven success in this industry. Whatever I don't know, they know. They've helped multiple people get to 6 figures. The other person has helped people get to 7 figures. They've gotten to 7 figures. So I'm attached to people that's like-minded, and that we are a team, and we are ready to help whoever join us to go to the top. Because guess what, y'all? The bottom is too crowded. All right. You all have a great day. And remember, change your mind, change your entire life. Peace and blessings. Bye-bye.